Hi everyone, I'm Sven Chilton. I'm a deep learning technical marketing engineer at NVIDIA, and today I'd like to demonstrate Riva's new automatic speech recognition capabilities in Spanish, German, and Russian. Riva will transcribe your speech, whether live or recorded, to text with low latency and word error rates. Don't just take my word for it, though. Let's see what happens when fellow NVIDIANs and I, in this case, both native and non-native speakers of Spanish, German, and Russian, read amusing and perhaps thought-provoking lines from some of those languages' literary greats. Let's start with Spanish. The line we've chosen is an excerpt from Miguel de Cervantes' classic, Don Quixote. I've copied it here, along with an English translation, so you can see in real time how accurately Riva generates its transcriptions. Let's listen to Alvaro, who's a deep learning software product manager and a native Spanish speaker.
Cuando la vida misma parece lunática, ¿quién sabe dónde está la locura?
Muchas gracias, Riva. As you can see, Riva transcribed every word which Alvaro spoke perfectly. Now let's see how well Riva transcribes the same line as read by a non-native Spanish speaker. We'll be listening to Elena, a deep learning applied scientist.
Cuando la vida misma parece lunática, ¿quién sabe dónde está la locura?
Once again, Riva transcribed the Cervantes line perfectly, word for word. Let's move on to German now. The line we've selected to highlight Riva's German ASR capabilities is attributed to the humorist Wilhelm Busch. Let's listen to a rendition of it from Yang, a research scientist in ASR, NLP, and conversational AI, who also happens to be a native German speaker.
Unterhaltung besteht meistens nicht darin, dass man selbst etwas Gescheites sagt, sondern dass man etwas Dummes anhören muss.
Wunderbar. Riva aced the transcription again. There's a slight spelling system discrepancy, though. The current German spelling rules stipulate that a double S sound after a short vowel be written as two S's rather than an Est-set, which resembles a lowercase beta. The transcription has done this correctly with das, but not muss. As luck would have it, I'm a non-native German speaker, so I jumped at the opportunity to lend my voice to this demonstration. Let's see how Riva does with my pronunciation of Busch's words.
Unterhaltung besteht meistens nicht darin, dass man selbst etwas Gescheites sagt, sondern dass man etwas Dummes anhören muss.
Nice to know that Riva can understand and transcribe my German properly. Now we come to Russian. We'll listen to readings of a line attributed to the playwright and short story author Anton Chekhov. First, let's hear my teammate, fellow deep learning technical marketing engineer and native Russian speaker Denis.
Жизнь, по сути, очень простая штука, и человеку нужно приложить много усилий, чтобы ее испортить.
Spasiba, Riva. As with the Spanish and German lines we shared, Riva has successfully transcribed Denis's reading of Chekhov's words in the original Russian. You might have noticed, though, that Riva rendered one word, yeyo, apologies for the pronunciation, without the dots on the second letter, yo. This is because those marks are almost never used in contemporary Russian literature, except in children's books and perhaps some language textbooks for foreign learners. Now we'll listen to our final speaker for this demonstration, Brian, who in addition to speaking Russian non-natively, is NVIDIA's Vice President of Applied Deep Learning Research.
Жизнь, по сути, Очень простая штука, и человеку нужно приложить много усилий, чтобы ее испортить.
Excellent! Once again, Riva has rendered a perfect transcription.